The Nepal US Hackathon 2026 is the largest national platform for students, professionals, and tech enthusiasts all across the United States to build, dream, and inspire.
And now it's happening again, March 27th to 29th.
100% virtual, connecting bright minds from every corner of the country.
For 3 days, 300 plus innovators come together to turn bold ideas into real-world solutions designed to create real impact.
Because it isn't just a competition, it's a movement to showcase Nepali talent, unity, and innovation.
Participants learn from mentors across leading organizations like Google, Amazon, Microsoft, McKinsey, and more, gaining skills, confidence, and lifelong connections along the way.
Teams will also win $1,500 for first place, $1,000 for second, and $500 for third.
That said, the Nepal US Hackathon 2026 is live, so make sure you apply, cheer on the different teams, and watch the future being built.